Manufacturers are asked to do more with less while still hitting profitability targets. The majority of all disruptions to your factory operations can be attributed to problems stemming from supply chains. For manufacturers, supply chain management is a challenge, with on-time delivery metrics being inadequate to manage your supplier network. Manufacturers lack visibility into supplier operations, their inefficiencies, and potential errors, leading to costly production line downtime, delayed shipments to your customers, and the risk of costly recalls are just a few of the everyday problems that disrupt your business. PICO's connected supply chain solution brings supply chain management into the i4.0 digital metaverse, securely connecting your entire supply chain operations to a central hub for real-time data integration, visibility, and analytics, bringing the right information to the right people at the right time. PICO's scalable, one-of-a-kind platform offers instant visibility, allowing for proactive decision-making. PICO's revolutionary suite of tools deploy in hours, not months. Our platform brings the operations information you need. PICO's state-of-the-art platform creates a digital twin of the supplier's operations, enabling you to digitally track process and product quality from start to finish, enhancing predictability and strengthening factory-supplier collaboration, transforming product quality and financial performance for all. Say goodbye to reactive management and realize a streamlined, efficient supply chain. PICO's connected supply chain platform unifies data, systems, and people. Integrate PICO's platform into your operations and unlock your unrealized potential. Visit PICO's website and click Contact Us to learn more.